The next section, the part, I took the section 1 of chapter 7 for Savitch book, 10th edition, and I'm breaking it down to a smaller portion, so the videos wouldn't be that long. So the fourth part of section 1, we're talking about the range-based folder. So we remember the way that we decide to do the arrays was just using a for. So we're going to create a constant, global constant. We're going to put it over there. And then we were going to use that global constant to create an array. And then we were using it inside the for loops. So in reality, you're going to have a lot of these things happening on these for loops. So if I change my number of students from 50 to 60, 70, 30, 20, then I don't have to do anything in the program. It's just going to use it over here to create the array, and it's going to use it here for the boundary of the array, so it doesn't fall outside of the range. So that's the way a normal for loop is going to work for us. Now, the new version of C++, which is C++ 11, that's 2011 that we are implementing it now. This one is using something that we were using in Java for a while. It's called the RangeBased Folder. So we're going to put the data type in there. We're going to put a variable name, and we're going to put the colon, and we're going to put the name of the array. And this for loop is going to go through the whole array, and it's going to keep track of the values to the end of the array. So it's going to keep track of it behind the scene. I don't have to worry about it. So it's going to take the first element of the array, put it in the variable that we declare over here. It does whatever we need to do. It comes back up. It's going to take the second element, put it in there, and so on and so forth. So an example of that would be this. So we have an array of 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to do for int x colon ARR, which is the name of my array over here, and see out x. So what it's going to do, the first time around, my x becomes 2, it's going to print 2, it's going to go back up, my x becomes 4, it's going to print 4, it's going to go back up, my x is going to be 6, print 6, go back up, my x becomes 8, print 8, and then it's not going to go back up anymore because it knows this is the last one, it's going to come up. So another short video, I'm going to stop right here. So I guess our activity is larger than the video itself, but go through this, see how much of this you can do. Most of it shouldn't be too hard to do. You can pause this, you can go back, figure it out. And again, if you cannot do it, figure it out, let me know. We can find a time to talk about it